to get older.
I find it hard to get older.
Yes.
What do you mean?
When I
You're trying to?
No, it's just good. I find it hard to look in the mirror.
Okay.
And also, I want to do so many things in life.
How old are you? Because you sound like you're 70. How old are you?
I'm 39.
You're 29.
No, 39. 39.
That's the spirit. Okay. You want to do many things in life, okay? Okay. And now you feel you're too old. But you're getting too old.
No, I find it just hard.
Hard, okay.
Yeah.
And you say something that I'm curious. When you look at yourself in the mirror, do you think you are that you look in the mirror? You say, this is me. For example, let's say there is a moon, and then there is a reflection on the water. Would you say this is the moon in the reflection, or you have to point to another place? Same thing. If I look in a place where I'm reflected, I am that. Why if I move my left, the mirror moves the right? Suspicious. So you actually believe when you look at yourself in the mirror, this is you. You say, this is me. 100%. This is me, no doubt. I mean, and okay, if you believe that, every time you see the mirror, you're going to see yourself limited in time, therefore time affects you. And then you believe, yeah, going to be weaker, maybe less energy. Okay, continue.
I don't want it anymore to feel that way.
Okay.
When I see myself, or that I want to do so many things in life.
But are you doing these things?
Yeah, I love life actually, and I want to do it all. So.
All, no exceptions.
No. Oh.
No exceptions.
I want to experience a lot of things.
All.
The things that I like.
Eating cat poo. Cat poo.
The things that I like.
That's all.
Yeah.
I mean, you say all, for me it's all. I'm very naive. All is all. Now, I'm having fun because, you know, guys, when she's going to be in her 70s, she's going to look back when she was 29 and say, man,
Yes.
what I was complaining about? Just the fact of being healthy and young is enough. But then this idea, do, yeah, oh my God, I have to do so many things. And you see that time is going by, but I mean, you're doing your things, right? Okay, then what is missing? What is missing? Because I feel that something that you believe is missing.
I think some self-love.
Self-love.
Yeah, I think so.
What is self-love for you? When you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you say to that reflection that you believe is you? What do you say?
I try to avoid the mirror, I think.
You try to avoid?
Yes.
For example, you get a shower and how do you avoid a mirror?
Not look in it.
Not looking at it, okay. And how do you put makeup? You just do like this?
So much.
Like a cat?
I don't do so much makeup.
Or how you comb, I don't know, how you look if you have something in your teeth. You don't look. You just trust life. This is a good start. Hey, trust in life. I'm wild. Super wild. Okay? What is your question, actually?
Yeah, that I just can look in the mirror and think, it's okay.
What is what you look in the mirror that you don't like? What is exactly that?
Did I get older?
Okay, but you're 29. So you want to be...
Yeah.
Did you say 39?
39, yeah.
39, okay, you see? I'm seeing her younger even. Okay, you look 39, you say, oh, I'm old. Do you have back pains? Do you get fatigue? Like, oh my God.
No.
Are you
I'm
vomiting
pretty
blood?
Sorry?
Vomiting blood? Throwing up? No?
No.
Are you coughing so much that you pass out on the floor? Then? What is your problem?
I don't know.
Can you come here? Because I want to help you with this. Eva, come to the paradise. My friend, okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Close your eyes. Guys, I'm not going to make you clap or anything. If you have some issues like this with your age, when you look at yourself in the mirror, you are hard on yourself, you know, these kind of things, do this practice with her. How? Drop yourself into your heart, guys, and allow yourself to heal together with Eva. And then you're going to receive the same healing that she's getting. Because it's just an idea. What you are cannot die, cannot age. The real you, the real essence, the inner Buddha with you, your inner fountain, inner Lekebron, it's not affected by time. So what I'm going to do is basically enjoy the nap. Beautiful. Hello. First, I'm going to check on my friend. When you're ready, stand up. I want you to check yourself, and let me know what you notice different in you when you check yourself. Thoughts, sensations. What is different?
I don't have so many thoughts.
I don't have so many thoughts. That's a start, right? Before? And now? Is there any thoughts? You said not so many. Try to look for a thought and describe it. Just look and tell me, oh, I have this thought. Is there anyone? She's in the trip. I don't have any thoughts, you know. Just here. Eckhart Tolle, yes, it's in the present moment. See? But she's not doing anything. She's surrendered. Okay. Emotionally, how's your emotional feel? Is it open? Is it contracted? How is it right now? Good. Good? When you look at them, how does this feel for you?
Beautiful people.
Beautiful people. Because the beauty in her is projected in the mirror and then back. It is. Tell this girl to the mirror that is there. Allow her. No, this is too small. Allow her to have a good look, and then you bring this girl to me. How was it looking again back in the mirror for you?
I left and I cried. And I think before I told her, I saw the pain of my parents in my eyes, and now I see more myself.
You see, we're using this oil recycled to
Yes.
keep on cooking with pain and sorrow and fear. And now she has fresh oil.
Yeah.
Enjoying the cooking. Yeah.
And I looked younger.
Yeah. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy these mirror times. Yeah.